Did you know Russia's most advanced submarine became a tomb for 118 sailors while their government refused help? The Kursk was the pride of the Russian Northern Fleet in August 2000, deemed unsinkable with its revolutionary double-hull design. During naval exercises in the Barents Sea, two massive explosions suddenly ripped through the submarine. The nuclear reactor went into emergency shutdown 350 feet underwater. 23 sailors survived the initial blast, trapped in the stern compartment. They wrote desperate notes describing rising water and toxic gas filling their prison. For days, Russia refused foreign rescue offers while the men slowly died from carbon monoxide poisoning. The survivors scrawled final messages to their families as the air became unbreathable. One note read simply, "It's getting dark here to write, but I'll try by feel." The cause was a faulty torpedo that exploded during launch. The government lied to grieving families for months, claiming external attack. Military pride killed its own men while help waited just miles away.